Hi there, good evening. This is Chinkitan right now broadcasting live from my personal YouTube account, and I hope that you're enjoying all the videos that I'm posting. Para sa gabing ito, pag-uusapan po natin bakit kaya mahirap pigilan ng mga taong determinado. May makakilala ka bang mga taong na nahihirapan na abutin ng kanilang goals, na humihinto na sila kung medyo nahihirapan pa lang ng konti? Bakit kaya sila nahatak na pababa at pinanghihinaan sila ng loob tuwing sila po ay nakaka-encounter ng mga problema? Nagtataka ka ba kung bakit sila mabilis umayaw sa buhay at hindi sila talagang nagpupursigido kung ano man ang gusto nila? Very, very important for us to understand for these people who are easily parang disheartened, na mabilis silang mag-give up, hindi talaga sila magiging matagumpay. So, very, very important, if you want to become successful, one of the key in success that I realize is you got to become determined. I can still remember when I was still young, talagang medyo may pinaghuhugutan din, mahirap din ang buhay nung panahon na yon. So, but you know what? I have an attitude that I would do whatever it takes in order for me to reach the top. Kahit anong pinaghirapan ko, pinagtatawanan ako during that time, nagbebenta ako, ang dami kong rejections na nakukuha. But I was still determined. Kasi yung mga taong determined, walang inaatrasan, wala silang inuurungan, kahit anong gawin, walang makakapagpigil sa kanila. Halimbawa, ito lang, let's talk about naman yung in terms of your request for losing weight. Bali, wala sa iyo ang hirap na ikaw ay magda-diet, pupunta ka ng gym kahit gutom ka at i-give up mo yung mga favorite food mo like sweets, lechon, diba, extra rice, at wala rin talagang issue sa iyo kung gusto mo talaga makaipon, isa-sacrifice mo yung paglilimit mo sa gastos, at the same time hindi ka nabibili ng mga mamahaling kape, tapos at the same time talagang ilalagay mo na yung tamang pera sa loob ng wallet mo. So in other words, if you really want something, you must work for it, diba? Meron tayong sinasabi, kung gusto gagawa ng paraan, kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Kung yan ang naging attitude natin, alam mo ang mangyayari niyan, ang resulta niyan sa buhay ay tagumpay. You will become very, very successful. So, I just want to encourage you, no matter what you are challenging right now, you should never ever give up. Dahil sa isang taong determinado, wala talaga makakapagpigil. Sa isang taong may gusto talaga sa buhay, wala talaga makakahadlang. Sa isang tao talagang nananalangin na talagang makamit nila talaga ang gusto nila, ika nga, there's no way for you to stop. There's no way for you to go. Only going to the top, you will never come down. So, if you want really to know, paano ba talaga maging determinado talaga isang tao? I would like to request you naman to read my blog. Okay, today, I have a blog called yung Bakit Mahirap Pigilan ng Mga Taong Determinado. I want you to read the blog at marami pa kayong makikitang practical tips doon. As a matter of fact, I gave 5, okay? Everybody say 5, okay? So, I gave 5 things that you can do in order for you to become unstoppable. Why? Because I do believe determination makes you unstoppable. So, if you want to know more, I just like to encourage you to subscribe to this account on my YouTube account. Not only subscribe, please also follow me on my Facebook account, Twitter account, and Viber account. Okay, Viber account, you go to public chat and go to Chinkitan. Ganon din po sa Facebook ko, at the same time sa Twitter account. Again, this is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.